In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your credit line with Bank of America. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together to ensure you're fully equipped to request that credit limit increase efficiently. Firstly, start by logging into your Bank of America account. You can do this by either opening the Bank of America mobile app or by visiting bankofamerica.com on your web browser. Use your secure online ID and passcode to sign in. It's important to ensure that your credentials are kept safe and never shared to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. It's here where you'll need to select the credit card account for which you'd like to request an increase. Take a moment to verify that you're choosing the correct card, especially if you have more than one. The dashboard will display key details like your current balance, available credit, and recent transactions for your chosen account. Next, scroll down slightly to find Account Services or Manage Card Settings. Click on this menu and then look for an option labeled Request a Credit Line Increase. Bank of America offers these features to facilitate a convenient and streamlined service experience right at your fingertips. After you've selected to request an increase, you'll need to enter the new credit limit you're aiming for. Let's say you desire an increase to $10,000. Type that amount in the specified field. Additionally, you'll be prompted to provide some personal financial details including your annual income, employment status, and housing costs. These details help the bank assess your financial health and creditworthiness. Once you've filled out all the required information, tap Continue to move forward in the process. Now, it's time to review everything you've entered carefully. Double-check that all the figures and details are correct in order to prevent any errors in the request. After confirming that everything is accurate, go ahead and tap Submit Request. Your application will be sent in for review. The next step involves waiting for a decision or confirmation from Bank of America. Some credit line increase decisions are issued almost instantaneously, while others might require a few business days to process. If your request is approved, your new credit limit will automatically be updated within the system. Additionally, you'll either receive a notification through the app or an email confirmation about the status of your request. And there you have it, the complete process to increase your credit line with Bank of America. With these steps, you can seamlessly manage your credit line and potentially increase your financial flexibility. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your credit journey.